Sarah from the Designer Teacher and Teacher Care Crate, and I'm going to show you what comes in the April Teacher Care Crate. And this is Hippo, if you see him moving around at all. This month's theme is Keep Growing, and when you first open your crate, you'll see this month's info card, and this just shows you everything that comes in the crate and where it came from. Next up, we have this month's art print. This was designed by Fifth with Miss Harris, and it says, "Bloom where you're planted." Next, we have this really cool wooden sign. This was handmade by Cabin 20 Creations, and along with the sign comes these two wooden pegs, and can use those to put in these holes back here, and that will make it so your sign can stand up. Also, to go with the sign, we have two paint markers, a dark green and a light green one. And you can use those to further embellish or color in your sign if you want. I have one that I already added some color to here. You can add some color to the leaves or to the lettering. And the way the paint markers work, we'll take off the wrapping, and then when you first open the marker, you'll notice that this one I've already primed, so there is ink on the tip, but yours that you unwrap, there won't be any ink on the tip. And you're just gonna indent that into a piece of paper until you see ink starting to flow. And then you can use that on pretty much any surface because it is a paint marker. So this is what it looks like a little bit colored in versus just the plain one. Of course, you can use those paint markers for other things too. Next, we have a mini hand sanitizer, which we know teachers can always use, but right now especially, this is from the Naked Bee, kills 99.9% of germs. So this is great if you do need to go out right now, that you can keep this in your pocket or your purse, so you can use this when you aren't able to wash your hands right away. Next, we have this beautiful sticker from Tip in the Middle. It says Educate and Advocate. It's a laptop sticker, and we all know that's more important than ever right now. Next, we have two pencils. One says Keep Growing, in keeping with this month's theme. The other one says Teach, Inspire, Grow. Now, what's special about these is they will actually change color as you write with them because they're heat sensitive. So you have to kind of hold it for quite a while, but these are especially fun for students to use too and watch them change color. Next, we have this month's wearable item, which is a gold necklace. I'm also wearing it here. And in keeping with this month's theme, there is a gold monstera leaf and then also a little charm that says Teach. And this has an adjustable chain on here. So that's super cute for school once we're back in session or anytime. Next, we have a shower steamer. This is from Blue Oak Farm. If you've been subscribing for a while, you might have gotten one of these, but if not, how you use it is you take it out, you unwrap it from the plastic, and then you put it back in the bag, and you hang this in your shower, or you can kind of leave it on a ledge somewhere where the hot water can get close to it, and it releases a really nice relaxing smell while you take a shower. And this bag will keep there from being any mess, and that lasts for a couple showers. Last, we have this month's treat. This is a chocolate and mint tea from Tea Pigs. This is caffeine free, and inside there are 2 tea bags. So that's everything that comes in this month's crate. Again, that is your chocolate and mint tea, 2 tea bags from Tea Pigs. You have your lavender shower steamer, your hand sanitizer, your 2 color changing pencils, your beautiful Teach and Monstera necklace, your Educate and Advocate laptop sticker, your paint markers, and those go with your wooden sign from Cabin 20 Creation. And again, those pegs will come separately, so you can set that up when you get it. The art print, and of course, just your info card. So that is the April 2020 Keep Growing Crate. And if you are not already subscribed, you can head to teachercarecrate.com and subscribe by April 14th in order to get this month's box as your first crate. Thanks for watching.